In the era of constantly evolutionizing biomedical technologies, innovation has no limit. Clecell is creating future with state-of-the-art 3D bioprinting technologies. The company commercialized core technologies, developed by the researchers at Harvard Medical School, and produced its proprietary 3D bioprinter, UFAD. In succession, it developed artificial skin protocols and cancer organoid models. In 2023, it launched easy-to-use desktop 3D bioprinter, Activo, and Bioprinters series. Let's meet Clecell's groundbreaking 3D bioprinter, Activo. Regardless of the viscosity of the materials, Activo is capable of precise 3D layer accumulation. Clecell's technology allows for various cross-linking methods. With Clecell's 3D bioprinter, there's no limit in your research. The built-in nebulizer enables the control of air, pressure, and cross-linking by neutralization, chemical, and enzymatic method. By using UStudio software specifically designed for UFAB Activo, you may select materials and customize 3D design in each layer, allowing for versatile 3D modeling in various forms. UV LED shutter function enables much efficient photopolymerization for 3D printing. During 3D printing, maintenance of homogeneous state inside the syringe is crucial for achieving stable and consistent printing quality. Activo 3D bioprinter can achieve stabilized 3D printing by automatic recognition of the bioink surfaces and adjustment of the nozzle's coordinates. Activo 3D bioprinter offers efficient nozzle cleaning method. Clecell has been making significant strides through in-house production and development of 3D bioprinting. We have achieved innovative research achievements and are actively working on various research and development tasks. These include culture of various cell lines required for the development of artificial organs and development of enhanced bioprinters and bioinks. Clecell actively participates in global biopharma industry exhibitions and seminars, gaining recognition in the global market with its innovative 3D bioprinting technologies and creative R&D vision. In addition, Clecell is globally expanding its presence through distributors contracts with Asian countries, such as Japan, Taiwan, and Singapore. Our diverse product lineup caters to different markets, driving our growth and presence worldwide. Clecell continues to expand the scope of business in the field of tissue engineering and regenerative medicine by leveraging cutting-edge 3D bioprinting technology. Clecell dedicates itself to create happy and healthy future of human beings through continuous research and efforts for life extension.